Hello, this is the organic fruit garden.
Okay.
As long as there are
I need to buy fruits.
customers, we don't mind working at night.
Really sleepy.
No.
But the farmer still persists in his work. Fruits are loaded onto the truck. And the farmer is still on the way to make deliveries. The morning has come.
Huh?
Do some exercises to stay awake.
I just want to stay awake.
Bye.
Broken bridge area.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, the farmer is really not awake anymore. Hang in there.
Oh no!
Hello, I need to build a bridge.
Okay. Building a bridge will surely need concrete. Can't do without a concrete mixer.
Okay.
This is the mixture of cement, sand, and water. These must be the two bridge pillars.
Hey, let go.
Let's wait for the result together. Wow, a new bridge, sturdy. The farmer can now continue with his delivery journey.
Go. Hello. Bye. Thank you very much.
Mario, it's a bright morning. Wake up quickly. Is Mario hungry?
Huh?
simple. The cows must be hungry too.
The strawberries are all infested.
Breakfast. Oh, what's happening? Spoiled strawberries. The cows have eaten the... Not good.
All right, stay calm.
And what is he doing? Where is Mario going? To Luigi's house.
Go, go, go.
Mario is taking the cow somewhere. A man is placing the last brick on the trap. Oh, but there's a stack of bricks. Oh, just kidding. Oh no!
Oh no!
A train is... Mario has hit the stack of bricks, causing them to spill onto the railroad right there. What will Mario do? It's coming! Oh my!
Is this your brick? Let me handle it.
Okay.
Now we need to dig the bricks off the railroad. The farmer arrives, installs an excavator. Working. It might be better to temporarily lift the railroad. But it's not working. All right then. Let's do it again. The work seems to be flowing smoothly.
Well done, my friend.
Go! Go, 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 go! Bye!
Goodbye.
Now, let's reassemble the railroad. Mario continues on his way. The train can pass through now. Come on, cows. Enjoy yourselves. It turns out Mario is taking the cows to the grassy pit. Gift boxes are ready. Christmas Gift Express Station.
This is the last gift delivery.
Hello!
Out onto the train. Gift boxes neatly stocked.
Bye!
Merry Christmas.
A few moments later.
Hello!
Hello!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mario, how are you delivering the gifts?
Mario needs to be more careful with the deliveries. What? Snowy Town? Curious about this town. Oh! Everywhere is covered in white snow.
I'm about to have turkey.
Mario dreams of turkey too early.
Oh no!
The train has been blocked by the snow. Okay, I'm coming right there.
Will the snow pole handle the job?
It's too cold.
Oh!
Snowy Town?
Let's back up the train. I'll handle the snow.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay.
Snow is neatly pushed aside quickly. Whoa! The snow has been cleared on both sides of the truck. House number 99. The train continues to deliver the last gift box. Oh!
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Strong wind has caused confusion.
Hey, you.
Hello.
Sorry, but this is not my house address.
Oh no!
House number 99 is over there.
So frustrating.
Both the road and the railway have been damaged.
I need materials to build a bridge. Can you help me transport them?
Wow.
오케이, 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 오케이.
And many colorful wooden bars. Little colorful castles. Mario, is this about motivation for a princess or responsibility? Anyway, the only solution is a bridge, right? Gradually completed. The bridge is Whoa! Let's see the result. It's really beautiful.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Now, it's time
Bye.
to deliver the gifts to the princess.
Hey.
This time, it's the right address, isn't it?
Hello.
Indeed, a memorable delivery.
Bye-bye.
Thank you!
A new day of work begins. Nevertheless, what's wrong with Mario? Doesn't Mario want to work? Mario thinks of something. Video starts. Is the soil too dry and hard?
Let's try something else.
Hey, let's go, let's go.
It's not like that.
Oh, no. Hey, 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 hey. Ah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Aha.
Whoa, whoa!
What's strange?
Okay, okay, let's go.
Where is Mario going?
Whoa, whoa!
Come on, Mario. Focus on the main task.
Oh, no. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh no. I need help.
Out of gas warning.
Okay, okay, let's go.
Give me the address. I'll be right there. My car is out of gas. Can you help me tow it? It's just a small thing. Thank you, buddy. Hello, Mario. Hello, Hawk.
like Mario's car is too heavy. It's really hard.
Let's go, let's go.
Hawk helps Mario tow the car to the gas station. Here it is! Finally arrived at the gas station.
Goodbye!
Gas is full. Mario continues on his way.
Do you have something to deal with dry and hard soil? How can I help you, Mario?
Looks like a rake, doesn't it?
Okay.
What is this?
Goodbye!
Let's see how Mario uses it. Attach it to the car like this, huh? I wonder if it can quite effective actually. Handle the hard soil. Oh! Now Mario can sow seeds. The soil becomes much softer. Just what Mario wanted. The seeds are evenly scattered on the farm. The seeds are spread evenly on the ground. The final rake is also useful. The seeds are buried in the soil.
Many months later.
Every fruit is fresh and juicy. And the result is... wow! A beautiful fruit garden!
Hey, Hawk, do you want to taste the fruits I planted?
Whoa, whoa!
Planting fruit is hard, but the
Wow, very impressive.
result is delicious. Captain is transporting hay somewhere. Ah, it's hay for the cattle.
Hello!
Oh, the cows are being picky about the hay.
No.
Hey, what do they want?
Whoa, whoa!
A hay baler? Looks quite professional. Let's see how the hay is baled. In sections. Oh, the hay is cut into small and even.
Uh-oh! Oh!
Mario, be careful. What's going on with the cows?
Okay, let it go.
I think we need a hay baler.
Whoa, whoa!
Hello!
The hay baler is brought to the farm.
Let's go.
Goodbye!
Hello, hello. Ah! Easy. Okay, okay, let's go.
Go cut the hay.
Okay.
The grass is growing tall and thick.
Okay, let's go.
Click out. Wherever the hay cow grows, the grass is neat.
You come and transport the hay.
Let's go. Okay.
Oh, hello.
Let's go.
Goodbye.
Large bales of hay are loaded onto the truck. The hay baler starts working.
Hello!
Oh, each hay bale is compact and uniform. Wait. Now, there's no worry about tall grass or wind blowing it